Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're ready to mirror or stream. Start by confirming both devices share the same Wi-Fi. On iPhone or iPad, open Control Center and locate screen mirroring. On Mac, click the Airplay icon in the menu bar. If the TV needs enabling, go to its settings and turn on Airplay. Do this now so the devices can discover each other. Once done, tap or select the TV name to initiate the handshake. Expect a short pairing request or code prompt in most cases. After you select the TV from Airplay, decide whether you want to mirror the entire screen or only stream from an app. For apps like Photos or Safari, tap the Airplay icon inside the app. For full screen, use screen mirroring. Make sure to check the TV's aspect ratio, and if on Mac, set the display resolution to match 16:9 or another preferred size. You can control playback and volume directly from your device, and toggle subtitles or audio tracks where supported. When you're done, end Airplay in Control Center or click the Airplay icon and choose Stop Mirroring. This returns the TV to its regular input. If the TV does not appear or playback stutters, restart both devices and confirm they are on the same network. Network isolation or guest Wi-Fi can block discovery. Make sure both devices have current firmware or OS updates. If problems persist, temporarily disable VPNs or firewall rules and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.